Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel orders on Temu. So first, you may want to run your Temu app. Then next, at the bottom corner of your screen, click on the U icon. Then next is click on your orders. Now from your all orders page, look for the product or item that you would like to cancel. So in my case, for example, I would like to cancel this order. Now from here, look for the three dot icon beside it, then click on it. Then next is click on cancel items. Now a window like this might pop up. So we're just going to proceed and click on cancel the order. Now tick the circle beside the item that you would like to cancel. So if you're trying to cancel multiple items, just tick the circle on all the items that you would like to be included. Then proceed to the next step. You will then be asked the reason for your cancellation. So just select the most appropriate reason, then proceed to the next step. And the last step is, of course, to confirm the cancellation. So just click on the button. So from here, just wait for your refund to be processed if you already paid for the item through online payments. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!